Hi you guys, welcome back to another video. I'm getting right into it by doing my eyebrows, and I'm going to be trying to stay away from them as much as I can because I just got them microbladed. I'm going to be using the Amrezy palette for my eye look, and I'm going in first for my crease with 1988. I'm going to start blending that out with a color called OG, which is just a light brown color to keep my eye look pretty simple. I'm using this MAC eyeshadow called Filament for my lid. For my wing liner, I'm using an eyeshadow called BK from the Amrezy Palette. I said before, I usually do my wing liner with the shadow because it's easier to clean off my lash extensions, but you can use your liquid liner or gel liner for this step. I'm just taking a wipe to clean off any fallout and get ready to put on my primer for my face makeup. I'm taking a lighter concealer that I usually don't use, and I'm going to mix it with my regular concealer just so I can get a brighter look for that clown look effect without that super white face. Now we're finally ready to start the clown makeup, and I'm first going in with the Chromaline from MAC in pure white, and I'm just doing these half moon shapes above my eyebrows, and then I'm also going to do another one right on my chin. Using this Makeup by Mario Pro pencil in super black, I'm going to just outline the half moon shape on my chin. I'm going to be doing a triangle shape over the half moon above my eyebrow. Don't worry if it doesn't come out perfect the first time because you can always go back and perfect everything later. When you get close to the shape that you want, just start to fill that in. Using this Fenty Beauty liquid Flyliner, I'm just going in to make everything a little bit darker. You can also use this to fix any mistakes, making your edges sharper. I'm just going back in with the Chromaline so you can see my little half moon shapes a little bit better. Now I'm just adding 2 little dots above our triangle shapes. Going back in with the eyeshadow color BK, I'm just using it to drag down a line from the center of my eye right above my cheekbone. Also adding a dot at the end of those lines. Here you can actually do whatever shape you want across your face. I just came up with this shape to go around the lines that I did below my eyes. And I'm just going back in to darken those lines with the Makeup by Mario Pigment Pro Pencil. Sorry I was out of the camera for the nose, but you just do a black circle on your nose and then go in with the Chromaline or your white makeup and do a little glare on the corner. Now I'm just blending out those lines, and I went in with the color OG, which is a brown, just to give it a little bit of dimension. For the lips, I'm starting with a black liner, and I'm going to over-exaggerate the corners to make a bigger clown-looking mouth. Then I'm going to go in with a red lipstick. This is a Rose in Harlem, and it's just going to blend and make a darker red color. And that's it for my gangster clown look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time.